And I think that's one of the biggest things is a lot of people want to tackle a lot of issues, but I keep asking them, I'm going to go back to what I said earlier. I'm a data smith. I work with data. There's a lot of absent areas, or there's data here, there's data over there, there's data over there, but there's nothing pulling it together. So one of the first things that I want to do is I want to go into this space and say, listen, let's get the proper things in place. I understand business. I understand programming. I understand a little bit about politics now. So I can, with all the pieces of the puzzle, I can build a picture and pull it together. So what I want to do is my first step would be, is to get proper governance, digital governance. And even if I can put AI in there to say, okay, we have these KPIs. How are we meeting them? Where are we bleeding money? Why are we? Let's say something as simple as town planning. What are the KPIs there? Are we meeting that? How are we meeting it? How are these processes? Because the thing is, it's very difficult for a person to keep everything in mind. As a human, you always need a team. And you need this, and then the person might be forgetting something on that specific day. There's a critical factor or something like that. So there are a lot of issues in terms of management and governance that I want to tackle, especially getting the digital look. And I want to start with Windhoek East, but imagine being able to sit at home and doing your driver's license application, marriage, firearm, fishing. You have to drive somewhere, go stand in a line to buy a $10 fishing license. You see, so if we can just start showcasing on that level how we can governance as a citizen, I want to be able to look, let's say mygov.na, mygovernment.na, and I can go in and I can look at what's happening, how are the monies being spent, what is the plan for this thing that they're clearing now. So these are all things that I'm looking at through innovation and technology, because once we've got that data, then it becomes easier to tackle the problems on the ground if we have a clearer picture. So that's basically my area that I would like to focus on, and hopefully that can spread to the rest of it as well.